So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a payment with a credit card and doing it in the in-app card payment method. So you'll go onto your calendar, or if you're doing a product it works exactly the same way. So effectively you've got your appointment here and you're going to want to, you can see it's unpaid for £40, and so by clicking on the details screen it's going to take you into the appointment detail where you're showing this unpaid amount. £40 showing on the left hand side. So you're going to go straight to add a payment. You can also reach it in the same way by clicking on this top next button, locating the appointment and pressing the add payment. That will also take you straight to this add payment option down here. So you'll click on the add payment and it will automatically populate the appointment that you're wanting to make the payment for with the amount of £40 that you need to pay. If you're just taking a deposit, you can reduce this down or just say that you're taking £10 at the moment towards that £40. And then once you've set up your Stripe account, you do need to do that first, so do go to the tutorial for setting up your Stripe account. It's going to take you from this card payment screen to ask you, are you sure you're going to go to the card checkout? So clicking on that button on your computer will take you directly to this page to show that you've got £10 due here. You've got the email address that's already populated in from the client, which is where their receipt will be sent. And then you've got the card information to go in here, and you can put in any Visa, MasterCard or American Express card number here. So we're just going to put in a test card details for this purpose of the example. I don't think you'll be able to use this anywhere else. So you just put in, that's 3 digits from the back, and then you'll put in the client's name here, and you're going to need to put in their postcode which they're registered the actual card to. So once you've put all of that information in, you'll then be able to press this pay button. You might notice that you've got a GPay, or on some people's phones it might show that you've got Apple Pay here, but that will only show up if you yourself on that device are connected to your own Apple Pay or GPay account. If you press this, it will take the payment directly from your own account, which you don't want to do. So don't go pressing GPay thinking, or Apple Pay thinking that the client can then be making the payment by Apple Pay, because this GPay or Apple Pay is actually directly related to your own account. So you need to ignore this when you go to in-app card payments. We have taken this up with Stripe and it can be switched off in the settings, but if you switch it off when the invoice is sent, it does take away the option for your clients to pay by Apple Pay on that basis. So most people want to leave that on, but just ignore it when it shows up on this in-app card payment. It is an anomaly and we are waiting for Stripe to actually update their policies on it so it doesn't show, but just don't pay with this GPay or you're effectively going to be paying yourself. So just enter the card details in here, the expiry date, the CSV number on the back, CVC number on the back, the client's name showing on the card and their postcode, and then you press the pay button and it will process it. And once it's successfully gone through, it will show directly onto your income dial, and the associated Stripe transaction fees that they charge will also go straight into your business expenses. So that's gone straight into the client's log as well. So if you click onto the client here, you'll be able to see under their payments that they've just made this payment here for £10 on a card payment. So that's all viewable here, paid successfully £10, and that's all registered. And then again that will show under your income area, and it will show as the latest payment here, and it will show at the bottom there, it's showing Alison Smith £10 cut and blow dry taken by a card payment. So yeah, it goes straight onto your income dial as well. So that's how you would take a card payment using the app.